everybody, it's Josh with Resort TV1 and the walls are down here at Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It is so exciting to see the walls down, the waterfall on, and all of the boats going, or the logs going. It's amazing. And look at it from here with the walls down. It looks absolutely incredible. Watch it go. Wow. So there it goes. It looks incredible. And the detail here is amazing. Something I didn't notice earlier was the two frogs right there. It's like they're watching you go down the waterfall. That is so super cool. And I love the detail here. You've got all the little plants and cattails and lily pads and everything. It's just different from the briar patch. It still has the same heart and idea, but it's very different from the briar patch. And you're gonna go still around the front. The track's still the same, but looks awesome. There it goes again. This is the closest we've been able to get to it since they finished all the landscaping and everything, so we really get a great look at it. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and just show you what it looks like around Tiana's Bayou Adventure with the walls down. We don't have to guess anymore. We don't have to look over the walls. It's just right there. So let's go. All right, we'll just go around here a little bit. The plants are so brightly colored. I think they did that because of the, you know, the idea of maybe getting fading from the weather. You can see the sign there, Celebration of Family and Friends in New Orleans. That's cool. Look at that. It is really neat. As you can see the sign, Tiana's Foods. That looks great. Wow. Absolutely amazing. And all the flowers, all the detail. You can really get close to it now. Spanish moss from the trees. Very accurate to the south. I've got this video in 4K 60 just so you can see it in the best quality possible, but let's just look around here a little bit. So now you can see some of the plants and grasses and things, the vines hanging through there. You can see the waterfall still there. They've kind of refurbished the mill up here. It's definitely wasn't that elaborate on Splash Mountain. The waterfall is not quite, you know, soaking people right now. It says, "Welcome to all who come to this happy place." I've heard that before somewhere. All right, let's go around here. It's another view there as you go into the final scenes of the ride. And of course, we'll get to ride this soon, but I just thought it would be really cool to show you just a really great detailed look at the exterior of the ride. Wow. And then here's the sign. It's Tiana's Bayou Adventure. It's a pretty nice sign.
It looks like it's the same real quick.
All right. Oh, look at this. There's like, you can see one of the little characters under there. Look at that. It's a little more new than what they were saying. It's, you know, it's all new scenes inside and stuff. It's pretty cool. Oh, I went to wide angle. All right. Yeah, it's very striking here. I mean, obviously Splash Mountain was always beautiful. This is just different. Somebody said it looks like broccoli. I think that's true. It's more green than it was for Splash. Just give it a different character. They had, right before I started this, they had the mist on, but turned it off pretty quickly. And here's a really nice sign pointing you over to the ride. That's kind of fun. Caretaker only, back in 5 minutes. I feel like I was here 5 minutes ago and he hasn't back yet, but who knows? Just kidding. It's kind of fun. Gorgeous day to show this too. I love the motion of the water wheel on the water coming down. The chutes there, that's really nice. Adds a lot of character to it. Leave me a comment, let me know, did they have the water wheel in Splash Mountain? Maybe they did, they just look like they've refurbished it. So, all right, we're gonna go back here a little bit into Frontierland and get a little better view. There you go. Now you can see it from a little further back and really get a good perspective of it in the park. I do miss the stump on top from Splash Mountain. That was always so iconic, but I think they wanted to really make sure it looked like it was a totally different ride. So yeah, pretty cool to get up close. They're bringing the media back out to do some shoots of the vehicles coming down with the waterfalls and things, so that's nice. They're gonna get all kinds of great views of it. It's a fancier camera than I have. Here comes the train through the mountain there. So the sides we've been able to see for a while. And just in case you missed it, got Back After Mardi Gras sign in here. And a riverboat behind me. So really fun stuff. Little Easter eggs in these windows. The flowers are vibrant. So let's go around here a little bit. Critter Co-op. Apparently this is not opening with the ride from what I've heard. Hopefully it'll open soon after. And they've got planters up now. The walls are down, so that means that it's been handed off to the park operations team so they can move the planters whenever they're ready. There's kind of a handoff that takes place between construction and operations, or Imagineering and operations. So now operations learns how to use it. You can see the sign there. Let me zoom on that. You can see the sign right next to the ride there. There you go. And also, if you look just to the left of that, you can see the wait time signs right there. Just behind those lights are the wait time signs for Lightning Lane and, of course, regular standby. So there you go. We can't really get any closer than that because they've got those planters up. They will be eventually doing cast member previews and stuff. You can see this sign right here. It's fun. You can go either way around, and then they've got some like cargo and things right behind that sign. So pretty amazing. All right, well, from a nearly open Tiana's Bayou Adventure, you can see all the excitement around with the media and everybody crowded around it now that it's running again with the waterfall and everything going. We will say goodbye for now, but hope you enjoyed seeing Tiana's Bayou Adventure with the walls down. It's a beautiful, beautiful sight. Can't wait to ride it. Can't wait to see what Disney has in store for us on this ride. So thanks for watching. Check out our awesome sponsors. Links are down below in the description. MickeyTravels.com and MickeyBlog.com for the best in free Disney vacation planning advice. ResortTV1Homes.com to find your dream home here in Central Florida, brokered by eXp Realty, and David's DVC Rentals, DVCRequest.com/TV. So thank you to all of our sponsors, and thank you to all of you for watching. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Of course, we'll always miss Splash Mountain, but I'm excited to see what the future holds for Tiana. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.